Hi everyone, how are you all? Today we will make a very tasty chicken curry. It is a chicken green masala. Heat the pan and add a little bit of oil. It can be coconut oil or sunflower oil or olive oil, whichever you use. When the oil heats up, we add a cinnamon stick and a few cloves. Now we add the chicken pieces into it. I've taken 1 kg chicken and now let it fry for about 5 minutes in this oil. In the meantime, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 cup of water and allow it to cook. Let the chicken become very tender. Till then you can cook this. For 1 kg chicken, I have taken 2 big onions sliced very thin, about 6 green chilies, a piece of ginger, about 12 garlic cloves, a small bowl of coconut, little bit of cinnamon and 2-3 cloves and 2 petals of anise, poppy seeds about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, about half a teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 teaspoon of coriander, few curry leaves. Now this is optional, but this gives a very good flavor. You have to take about a bowl of coriander leaves and mint leaves and 1 tomato. Now what we do here is we just roast it in a little oil and then grind it to a very fine paste. When the pan is hot, we add a little bit of oil of your choice, the whole spices, coriander, jeera, pepper, fennel seeds, keep it on sim. Now add the onion, and garlic, add little bit of poppy seeds. If you don't have poppy seeds, you can add about 6 cashew nuts, green chilies, ginger, and little bit of coconut. Add 1 tomato. Add curry leaves, mint leaves and coriander leaves. Now at this stage, we put off the flame and allow this masala to cool down before we grind it. Now the masala has cooled down, so we'll be adding a small piece of tamarind and little bit of turmeric. Now the chicken is cooked well. We will add the ground masala to this. Look into this masala. Add the masala water. Stir it well and adjust the gravy if you need extra water. Check for the salt and if needed, add accordingly. Chicken green masala is ready. See the color and the texture of it. If you want a little thinner, you can add a little hot water into it and adjust the gravy, but this is perfect. And if you want potatoes to be added, then you can boil the potatoes and cut into cubes and add to it. Chicken green masala is ready to be served. You can serve it with neer dosas or appams or sanas, whatever it is, it tastes very good. And this dish you can make it for any festivals also, you don't have to think about it. Follow this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out in your kitchen. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And those who are still not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, Finalizing Kitchen. See you in my next video. Bye bye.